the installation video. Hello, I am going to show you how to install the backup camera. First, get out of all items from the package. There, monitor, camera, sunshade, pedestal plus 3M, video and power functional wire with 33 feet, lighter adapter. Take out the monitor from the protective shell, after it is useless. Then we can install the sunshade above the monitor like this. Second, we install the bracket like a fan. Keep rotating and loosen the screw. Look at my operation. Get it stuck here. Then, let's put this screw in again and tighten it, but not too tight. Then slide the bracket into the slot at the back of the monitor and tighten the circular screw. For the bracket, we can adjust its tightness of the screw according to the need. Now, we tear off yellow sheets of both sides. Then, stick it on the dashboard. Next, we install the camera. Tear off the 3M sticker. Look at my operation like this. I take a piece of cardboard as a license plate. Then we stick the camera into the middle position behind the license plate. At the same time, we can adjust the camera's angle. But we still should use the screwdriver to tighten the screws in the camera like this. Third, we will connect the wires. Look at these wire interfaces. 2 ways to connect the wires. First way. Connect the power cord to the cigarette lighter. Connect the yellow and red joints near the power cord into the monitor. while connect the another joints on the other side. Like my operation. I use a tool to deal with the power cord. Now, we take out the green connector. In this way, we connect the thin red wire to positive slot of lighter adapter, black wire to negative slot. We should be careful to screw the thread. And then plug the adapter to cigarette lighter and turn on the red switch. Here, we can test the light with your hand like me. You see the red light or not? When it is red, the monitor appears image. Also, we test the rear camera with your hand. You can see the 5 white light. Now, we can test the button of monitor. The right button is power key that can turn on, off the monitor. The middle button is menu key. It can adjust the brightness, contrast, color, hue, and zoom through the plus button. Press the menu button again, and you can see the guidelines on or off. Then press the plus button to appear the guidelines on, or press the button to appear the guidelines off. Press the button of image flipping. The default is mirror. A picture can be flipped to a front view image, an inverted view mirror image, and an inverted front view image. If the front camera is installed, you will need to connect the front camera to the AV1 channel. Only the AV2 channel can switch on and off the guideline for rear view and reversing. 2 ways to connect the wires. Second way, connect the power cord to the reversing light. We take down the wires from the monitor, camera, and cigarette lighter. Then connect the yellow and red joints near the power cord into the camera. While connect the another joints on the other side. Like my operation. Remove the green connector. In this way, we connect the thin red wire to reversing light, black wire to ground. So when all are connected, the camera light are lightening. Okay, we finished the whole installation. The process of connecting the camera to the lamp line. T-taps. T-taps has 2 holes and 1 hole is closed. The long line is the line of the lamp or the circuit line on the car. Thrust the car light line into the first hole. Camera power cord. Plug the power cord into the second hole. Iron sheets. Clamp the iron sheet to the tap's bottom.